Southern politicians also dey Atiku coalition. Baba-Ahmed, welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our video. One former political advisor to President Bola Tinubu, when his name na Hakeem Baba-Ahmed, he don refute claims say na only northern politicians na dey drive the opposition coalition against President Bola Tinubu administration. Baba-Ahmed don dismiss the tori say na northern political leaders gang up to create coalitions each time Southerners dey for power. As im dey tok for Arise Television on Monday, Baba-Ahmed, who recently resigned from im role, come clarify say the alliance wey the former Vice President Atiku dey lead no be northern-centric initiative. He say dat sentiment say na northern politicians na dey fond of establishing alliances against any Southerner for power. He say e stem from the political coalition when e give birth to the now ruling All Progressives Congress for 2013. The coalition defeat the Goodluck Jonathan-led government for the 2015 presidential election. Na dat one na lead to the emergence of former President Muhammadu Buhari. When they come ask am why political coalitions only dey happen when a Southerner dey lead the country, Baba-Ahmed come talk say political alliances e no dey new for Nigeria. He say all the coalitions wey e don happen for the country dey involve Southerners. According to am, they get Southerners for this talk about coalitions too. You know, Governor Rotimi Amaechi dey there, and the former governor of Osun State, Rauf Aregbesola, is still there. Get a lot of people from the southern part of the country. Say they love the south too. They don't want to be second to the north. He said they did there. Say now every time when a Southerner dey there, now there will always be talks about coalitions. He can't recall how the coalition, when he defeat Jonathan government, take form. Baba-Ahmed say President Tinubu, a Southerner, dey instrumental for information. According to am, we form a coalition in 2011 and 2012 with a Southerner. Im name na President Tinubu. He give us a bit of Nigeria, and we form coalition between AD and the CPC, and we can create the APC. Not be new thing. They always dey coalitions. He can't talk am. This talk of Baba-Ahmed so, e don dey stir reactions from lots of people, because the question when they ask am, that question dey germane. Why? E be say na when Southerners dey power, na the urge to form coalitions dey gain tempo. E happen for Jonathan time, though im dey give excuse say Tinubu dey that coalition. Now e don dey happen for Tinubu himself. E con be a case of wetin you sow you dey reap. But the question dey germane. Why? Don't be like say the North get that entitlement mentality. Say na dem only go fit rule. Like the state slogan for Born to Rule. Some persons get the feeling too, say this coalition thing e just dey about Atiku. And if Atiku Abubakar not get the platform to take run as the candidate for whichever party they go adopt, then go see say the coalition go scatter, because Atiku, according to how some politicians dey describe am, e say na desperate politician. E say 2023 na im best year. E say but e miss im chance. So this fight or quest to come take over after just 4 years and first tenure of Tinubu presidency, e say e not dey realizable at all, and also e not dey realistic. Others they say, see Baba-Ahmed o, that wetin these people dey even dey think when they just believe say na only dem na get the solution to the myriad of challenges wey Nigeria get. So na when they change platforms, na they go take get wetin they dey look for. He say e still boil down to that entitlement spirit, that without them the country no go work, but that Tinubu e dey around to disappoint them. Say e dey around to disappoint them. Some other persons, they dey provide solutions to the challenges when they face Nigeria. Like somebody they talk, he said the kind of political opposition when you look forward to for Nigeria political space, now where the people when he claim say they go dey able to do better, when they can roll out strategies and the scenarios of wetin they go fit do to implement key reforms and to transform the country. He say you go fit serve the country before becoming president by expressing your skill as a leader. Say nothing wrong if you put out your plan, and if you dey so practical that people not go see any reason about your candidacy, that even the current government go implement them, whether they credit you or not. Some others dey of the view say northerners too dey power centric. He say this man e dey actually dey push Atiku northern agenda. He say wetin happen to supporting Peter Obi if you no want Tinubu? Why must it be Atiku? Country people, this na the dynamics of Nigerian politics. The south dey feel say the north no want make southerner become president, and the north they dey in haste to make sure say the south quick comot there. This scenario, so how e go take help the growth of unity when politicians dey preach for Nigeria? Well, if you get anything to tell us, make you put am for the comment section.